Want to keep your car looking brand new for years? We've got the solution. Let me introduce you to paint protection film. Paint protection film is a self-healing film that is applied to the exterior of your vehicle's paint to protect from any road debris or damage. This isn't just any film. This is an engineered product applied to protect your vehicle from any road debris, scratches, rock chips, or almost anything the road can throw at it. After your paint protection film is applied to your vehicle, you could then ceramic coat on top of your paint protection film to ensure ease of cleaning. It will cut your cleaning time literally in half. Nothing will be able to stick to your vehicle. The film is very challenging to install. It requires expert precision. If you don't have the right people to install the product, it won't come out the way it's supposed to. We have certified installers here in the shop. All edges are wrapped to ensure flawless, seamless installation. The best part is XPEL film can last 10 years. It's backed by a 10-year manufacturer warranty when installed by a certified XPEL installer. Protective Film Solution has been in business since 1995. We strive on customer service and quality of installs. We can protect your daily driver all the way up to your supercar, and we guarantee that your vehicle will get the protection it deserves. Click the link to protect your vehicle.